I'm gonna show you 3 side hustles that nobody is talking about that can make you at least up to $700 a day cash money in your pocket. I don't know about you, but I hate to argue about who has to clean what in your house. It is one of the biggest arguments that any married couple, any couple, or anyone living with a roommate or living anywhere together is going to have. So what I did is I went on a mission to find someone to help me clean my house because we do have a decent sized family. There are 5 people that are in our house, and now there are 3 dogs. That's 4 bedrooms and an office, 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage that have to be maintained clean at all times because nobody likes to live in filth. I don't know about you, but I definitely don't. So I went on a mission to find someone, and I started looking at the different prices, and I started to realize this is a serious side hustle that anyone can do. Housekeeping, house cleaning, maid service, whatever you want to call it, you need somebody that can help you clean your house, and this can alleviate anybody's issues with their marriage and their relationship, helping you save time and money and able to spend more time with your family. So number 3 is going to be a house cleaning service or a housekeeper or a maid service, whatever you want to call it, someone that basically comes in and cleans up the house and does what everybody else doesn't want to do. And it's just really simple because all you have to do is set up an ad that's 100% free on Facebook Marketplace that can target up to 80 miles, 50 miles, 30 miles, however far you feel like you want to drive. Then you can post it in the local actual app that's called Nextdoor. A lot of neighborhoods now have these apps that people use that can find people that are really close by to them that have these side hustles or just handyman. You can do that for 100% free, but you can also do what's called a door hanger. So there is a website called Vistaprint that you can make door hangers for a very low minimal cost. Now, if you go over to vistaprint.com and just type in the search bar door hangers, you're going to see the different types of tiers. Now, the more door hangers that you actually have create, the cheaper it's going to be. Now, I get it. It's going to be a little bit of a commitment, but you're going to save more money. And you can use these for a while. Let's say you do 250 at 26 cents a piece. That's right, 26 cents a piece. That's crazy. You're going to be in for a total of $64.60. Now, if you go on the high end and you do 1,000, you're looking at 11 cents a piece, and then you're going to be in for $100. So $100 is going to get you a lot of advertising. Yes, you're going to have to strap up your boots and hit these doors, and all you got to do is just walk up, hang them on the door. But you're probably like, okay, but I don't know how to make a design. I don't know how to do that. That's cool. I got you on that too. So now we're going to go over to the Fiverr website. Fiverr is my favorite place. I don't know how to do websites. I don't know how to design logos, but I can find someone and hire them to do it for me. So if you go over to the Fiverr website, you can make a free account. It costs you nothing to find an actual freelancer to do the work for you. You're going to type in the search bar, very simple, door hangers. That's it. Literally, I'm looking for someone with 5 stars and has a lot of reviews. So I'm going to find my guy here who has 84 reviews and they're all 5 stars, and he's starting at $20. That's right, $20 to make us our design. But I found one even better for $10. This guy's gonna do an actual design for you for 10 bucks. Top tier, $35. That's still not bad. If you do the $35 one, he's gonna give you unlimited revisions and he's gonna deliver it to you in 2 days. And then you just send it to Vista, you drop the actual logo or design into the upload, and then you submit it. Make sure you look over it, and guess what? Vistaprint has support. So if you're having any issues, just call them, pick up the phone. I've used them before. They are amazing. Let's say you're 35 bucks in for door hanger designer. Then you're another 65 bucks in for 250 door hangers. Now we're $100 total in just for marketing for door hangers. Then we're not going to spend any more money on anything else except for supplies. So maybe we spend another 45 bucks at the actual Dollar General or Dollar Tree for all of our cleaning supplies. Get the Fabuloso because people love the way that smells, and it smells amazing and it's really low cost. So you could be for a total of $145 to start your own cleaning service. So how much should you charge, you ask? Well, you want to go on Facebook Marketplace and just type in house cleaning service or housekeeping service and see exactly how much they're charging in your local area, about 30 to 80 miles out. Or you can also pick up the phone and call the local house cleaning services and ask them how much they're charging for a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, standard household, or 2-bedroom, 2-bath standard household. How much will they charge? They usually want to go by square feet, but what I have seen locally, generally speaking, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, you're going to be looking at $200 for about 2 to 3 hours. That's not bad, but if you can get down your service down to an hour, hour and a half, charge 200 bucks, you just made all your money back and then some on just one simple house. Last part is the most important. Let's say it takes you 2 hours per house. You're gonna work an 8-hour workday, 4 houses a day. That's gonna be $800 a day cleaning houses. Now we're gonna multiply that times 5 days a week. That's $4,000 a week in cash money in your hand. Now per month, you can make up to $16,000 a month just cleaning houses. Number 2 is coming in super hot because it is attached to number 3. It is trash bin cleaning services. It is one of the grossest, nastiest things ever. Think about it. Millions of pounds of trash get thrown away every day by household, and nobody ever cleans their trash bin. They attract flies, rodent, raccoons, all kinds of nastiness that you don't want to have to deal with. Because of number 3, we know that we can make door hangers. So we can make at least 250 door hangers and be in $130 to make some for an actual trash bin cleaning service. Now for either one of these, you want to target your local area. All the nice neighborhoods that look a little pricey, guess what? Those people want someone to clean their house. Those people need someone to clean their trash bins. You can easily get a pressure washer, an electric one, for less than $200 at your local Lowe's, like this Craftsman right here. It comes with a little soap dispenser because you're gonna need the soap dispenser, and then you'll probably maybe spend 15 to 20 bucks on solution. So maybe you're in it for $160 with taxes just for your equipment. So we're in it for $100 for door hangers, another $160 for our actual equipment. Now we're a total of $260 and we can go start cleaning trash bin. I did a local search on the Facebook Marketplace and I did an 80-mile radius. An 80-mile radius, there was only one person that was advertising trash bin cleaning service and he was charging $45. So for the first can is $30, the second can is $15. That was wild to me, only one person in this higher sector. So now you can charge a total of $45 for 2 cans. I would say you could do at least a minimum of 4 cans in an hour. Let's say you can clean, hypothetically, you'll do 4 cans per hour. You do 8-hour workday, regular workday. You're gonna do 32 cans per day. You're gonna break that down to $22.50 per can. So you're gonna be able to do $720 a day in cash money. That turns out to be $3,600 a week. You're looking at $14,400 a month, $172,800 a year cleaning trash bins. Now, if you can build a great rapport cleaning houses, guess what? You have to take out the trash, don't you? So when you take out that trash, after maybe you've come there like twice a month already, and you say, hey, listen, I noticed that your trash bins are a little gross out there. I actually do now offer a trash bin cleaning service. Give them a little bit of a discount, and guess what? Now they're paying you for an extra service while you're there cleaning their house, and you knocked out 2 birds with 1 stone, making twice as much. And if you want to, as a house cleaning service, you can add extra fees for extra things. You need some laundry done? I'm gonna charge you, say, $40 for 2 loads of laundry. That's not bad. You think someone's not gonna want to turn over $40 so you can do 2 loads of laundry, take that off their list? Yeah, anyone's gonna pay that. Number 1 is my ultimate favorite because I've used it. I've used all of these services. This is how I found them. I was like, yo, why does nobody talk about these side hustles? This is crazy to me. The number 1 side hustle that anyone can do is bounce houses. That's right. This summer, I paid for a bounce house. Well, actually, it was around the fall time. I paid for a bounce house for my daughter. It cost us $300 for a 3-hour or 4-hour window. I can't really remember, but I think at the most, it was a 4-hour window. And I said, yo, they literally just made $300. They came, they set up this thing, hooked it up to power, and then they left. All they have to do is come back, sanitize it, put it back up, roll it back up, put it in their truck or their van, and they're done. And you run the same play here. Literally, you just go on Facebook Marketplace and you advertise your service. Because my wife was looking on Google and I was like, hey honey, I was like, nah, just look on Facebook Marketplace. We'll be able to find someone that's actually closer. Just make the actual target area smaller. And she did. And we found somebody that was literally less than 5 miles down the road, and they gave us a discount because they were local. They didn't have to go very far. And it is a 2-person job because these things can be big. Depends on what size of bounce house that you actually have. That is $12,000 a month just dropping off and setting up bounce houses. That is insane. You can literally make $144,000 a year from bounce houses. I literally just gave you all the sauce for free on how to make that extra money, get yourself out of debt, maybe quit your day job, start doing something that's fun and easy and making crazy money. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like it, you need to let me know, because I'm totally down to make more videos about side hustles that people don't talk about. I've got a lot. I'm Latino. I know how to make money. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to watch the next video, because it is about the Equifax data breach that can get you up to $20,000. And if you felt that I brought you a bunch of value in this video, don't forget, subscribe to increase your credit score.